Hey guys, how's it going? This is week 2, problem number 10. We'll go ahead and jump in. The ratings of 120 movies that came out in a recent year are given by the accompanying table below, classified by genre. I can see here is the genre is action, adventure, comedy, drama, and then the ratings across the board, and you kind of see the totals. And the total down here. So this is what you can think of as the grand total, um, because it adds up all the genres going across. And this is just the total per variable. So just kind of keep in mind just how, why is there two different totals, and kind of give you a sense of what they are. First question is find the conditional distribution of the movie ratings for action. Now remember from before, conditional distribution is really just what is this as a percent of total action movies. So really it's 8 divided by 37, and as you can see that's 21%. So really it's of all the action movies, what is the breakdown, the percentage breakdown by rating, and that's what you can see right here. And then similarly, what's the conditional distribution for movie ratings for thriller, horror, and you can see just by rating it's the same, since there's no actual filled in cells for G or PG, because it's horror. That makes sense from a data perspective. You can kind of see that 44 and 52%, and so it's very leaning towards adult, which makes sense if you think about it. Now, part C is create a graph comparing the ratings of the four genres. So what we've done here, as you can see, we've actually calculated the remaining distributions for all the remaining genres: thriller, drama, comedy, action. You can see some, and these percentages are a percent of the total of each genre. So this is 21% of action. This one right here, this is 27%. All comedy movies are G. That's really how you interpret it. And this is a good check when you're dealing with tables to make sure that your distributions add up to 100, because that means that you actually, there's no kind of data entry error within your Excel table. So we'll go ahead and get this into an Excel chart to kind of see, okay, a graph of these distributions, and see, since these all add up to 100, because we're looking at it from a horizontal perspective, looking at all action, looking at all comedy. When I say that, we're looking at each variable, so it's from a variable perspective. So we'll go ahead and make this a stacked bar chart. I'm going to just go ahead and show you that real quick. So we want to insert in our table. We're going to make a table, or a chart rather. We'll do, usually if they don't see it here, you can kind of do this option right here. Looking for more. It's just loading. And so see right here, this is our stacked or 100% stacked. And see, that's our 100% stacked chart. So that's a good one to do. And so we're going to pick that one. As you can see, it got a little bit of a head itself because it captured my data right here. Sometimes Excel will do that. So the only real quick thing that you could do is just select data. You can kind of go in there and, if anything, just do it yourself. You can come here, select it that you're just looking at this piece right here, because it'll do the math for you. So see how you highlight that piece, and you come back here and you click down. You'll see, and you'll be finished. And it's done it for you. It's done it by genre, by variables: action, comedy, drama, thriller, and then you'll see you have your items right here. And so, okay, are genre and rating independent? Now, independent means, is there any correlation between the two? Are they independent of each other? Does genre and rating affect itself? And you can see that PG-13, thriller, drama, comedy, action. So what you can say is that they are independent of each other, because there's no real relationship between the two. An action movie can be G just as much as it can be R, based on our analysis. So we hope this helps, and just let us know if you have any questions along the way. Thanks so much. Bye.